In this video we are going to fetch the DNS record of a website. Okay, so I am going to import dns.resolver from our dnspython. Okay, so we will be creating a empty dictionary. Okay, DNS record equals empty dictionary. So this will store the DNS record of a website. So I am going to create website variable, and here I will be asking for a user input. Enter a website name. Okay, so now we'll fetch a record of the website. So a_record, okay, equals dns.resolver. Okay, and it will be stored in a dictionary. Okay, .resolve website comma a. Okay, now we'll make a for statement for ipval in a_record. Okay, dns_record a_record_ip. Okay, and then we'll assign ipval dot to underscore text method. Okay, so now we'll store the list of the mx record. So mx_record_list, and we'll assign an empty list. Okay, so let's fetch the mx record. mx_record equals dns.resolve. Okay, and then website comma mx. Okay, so let's make a for statement for server in mx_record. Okay, so mx_record_list. Okay, dot will append server. Let's make another for statement for I comma element in. Okay, we'll enumerate mx record list. Okay, record list, and then we'll put dns_record. Okay, mx_record and i+1 equals element. Now we'll display the record on the screen. So for that, for key comma value in dns_record items. Okay, dot items. So let's print f. Okay, and then the key equals value. Okay, so let's run the program. So here it is asking for a user input. So I am going to put twitter.com. So you can see